everyone, welcome back with Fitriani Ponno, Ponno, and let's learn bahasa Indonesia together. Okay, in my previous video, we have learned bahasa Indonesia about greetings, how to greet people. You can check my previous video about how to greet people and read this book. Okay, you can check it in part 1, read Indonesian book part 1. And now I will continue to read this book for you. Yeah, of course, this is kindergarten book. And let's read together in bahasa Indonesia. Are you ready, guys? Yes, I want you to say, I can do it. I can do it. Aku pasti bisa. Aku pasti bisa. I can do it. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Let's read this book. Hi everyone. Let's continue to read this book. Okay, we have read this book in my another video in part 1. So let's continue in part 2, and this is the title of this book is Halo. Halo means hello, hi. Halo, halo, hi, hi, hello, halo. Okay, let's continue this book. Di perjalanan, Cican dan Ayah Didi melewati jalan yang berliku seperti huruf S. Wah, seru sekali. Okay. In English, we translate in English. Di perjalanan means on the way. Di perjalanan, on the way. Cican here. Cican this one. And Ayah Didi means this is the name of Cican's dad. Didi is the name of Cican's dad. So, in bahasa Indonesia, Cican dan Ayah Didi. Cican and his dad. We say his dad. His dad, it means Cican's dad. Because Didi is the name of Cican's dad. Yeah, in bahasa Indonesia, sometimes we call our mom or our dad, we call them with their name. So like me, sometimes my daughter call me Mama Rina because Rina is my nickname, and my daughter call me Mama Rina. And Papa Harry. Harry is my daughter's dad. My husband. Harry is my husband. And me, my nickname is Rina. So my daughter always call me Mama Rina. Papa Harry. Mama Rina. Yeah. Okay. So this is the story of Cican. Di perjalanan, on the way, Cican
dan ayah Didi, Cican and his daddy, melewati jalan yang berliku. Melewati jalan yang berliku. Pass or through a winding road. Through the winding road or past a winding road. Like, seperti, like, letter S. Like, letter S. Seperti huruf S. Huruf means letter. Letter S. Wah, seru sekali. Wow, so exciting. Wow, so exciting. Wow. Okay, go to the next page. Wow, blue. Let's go. Di lampu merah, Cican dan ayah Didi bertemu Pak Polisi yang sedang berpatroli. It means on the red light. On the red light. Lampu merah. Red light. Merah means red. Light means lampu. On the red light. Di lampu merah, Cican dan ayah Didi, Cican and his daddy met the police. Met the policemen who were on patrol. Halo Pak Polisi, selamat pagi. Selamat bertugas, ucap Cican. So Cican say, hello, policeman, good morning, good luck, selamat bertugas. Hello, policeman or sir, hello sir, good morning, good luck, said Cican. Cican greet the policeman. Halo Pak Polisi, selamat pagi, selamat bertugas. Good luck, selamat bertugas. So, that is the expression if you want to greet the policeman or the teacher or nurse or whoever. Selamat bertugas. And next, halo nak, selamat pagi. Sapa Pak Polisi dengan ramah. Hello nak, good morning, said the policeman kindly. Ramah, kindly. Ramah, kindly. So, I just want to explain about na here. Na, like this. Na is from anak. Anak, it means kid. Nah, so in this situation, the policeman said, "Hello, nak. Hi, kid. Good morning." But in this book, they didn't write a full. Why? Because maybe this is the style of Indonesian. Ma, na, pa, like that. This is bapak. This is mama. Father, mother. Okay, this is anak, kid, bapak, father, mama, mother. Some of Indonesia, in formal Indonesian, we don't put K in the end of the word. This one is yes, we put K, but in formal Indonesian, we don't put K. We only use mama or bapak. Bapak, yes, we put K. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, bapak, we put K at the back, but mama or this one is ibu. This one is ayah. Ayah or bapak, father. Ibu or mama, mother, anak. So they took this word na in this book. Hello, nak. Hello, nak. It means the kid. So, hello, nak, selamat pagi. Halo, anak. Good morning. Hello, kids. Good morning. Yeah, like that. Okay. Next video, we will learn about this. I will explain it to you about what is the differences between anak, bapak, mama. Yeah. Okay. All right. Next page. Okay. And this is the story when Chichan arrives at school. They greet each other and they say good morning, and good morning. Okay, let's. Chichan tiba di sekolah bersamaan dengan Mira. Chichan arrives at school at the same time, bersamaan, at the same time with Mira or as Mira, at the same time as Mira. Chichan tiba di sekolah bersamaan dengan Mira. Chichan arrives at school at the same time, bersamaan, together, at the same time, bersama-sama, with Mira. Hello, Mira, teriak Chichan senang. So, if you have kids and you take them to school and you can see them, their expression when they meet their friends, you can imagine like Chichan shouting to Mira. So Chichan said, "Hello, Mira! Good morning! Hello, Mira!" So Chichan teriak, shout or scream to Mira happily. Scream, not angry but happily, like the kids greet their friends, hi, good morning, hi, good morning, oh. And yeah. Okay, next. Halo Cichan, balas Mira. Halo Cichan, said Mira. Replay, balas. So Mira replay the greeting from Cichan. Halo Cichan, said Mira. Halo Om Didi, lanjut Mira. Tak lupa menyapa Ayah Didi. So in this case, Mira greet. Don't forget to greet. Mira don't forget to greet Cichan's dad. Hello Uncle Didi. Hello Uncle Didi. Hello Uncle Didi. Om is uncle. Om paman. Uncle. Om paman. Uncle. Halo Om Didi, lanjut Mira. Tak lupa menyapa Ayah Didi. Halo juga Mira, balas Ayah Didi. Hi Mira, said Cichan's dad. Okay. So thank you very much everybody for watching this video.
Okay, this is the end of our today's lesson. And if you want to see another video from me, and if you want to learn another lesson about Indonesian language, you can write down below. You can write down on the comment below what lesson do you want to learn from Indonesia, and we will learn and speak about it. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe my video and share on your social media. See you, bye-bye. Sampai jumpa. See you. Sampai jumpa. Bye-bye.